SERV stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. SERV Robotics sitting at 1874, 11.5% up. This is exactly how my chart looks like. So I'm relatively looking to take things up, but it's not going to be your everyday typical buy. I have done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands on courses and mentorships. I've documented everything. And my exact approach with SERV is that call this movement up yet again, and the only thing that I'm waiting for is a bigger retracement than normal. And then if we break those highs, this will kind of indicate like a wake of accumulation, but the only thing that will actually make me buy is if it actually gives me like a little pullback, because then I have like a structure of how to position myself. Because again, if you didn't know, there's 2 games in trading. There's managing the trade game, there's getting inside a trade game, and both are crucial. And for me to kind of be optimal and follow my edge, this is exactly what I'm waiting for. If my rules are not met, I'm not going to move forward. So stay tuned. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.